Look, traders say the Nasdaq is due for an even bigger pullback. Jimmy Urio, Brian Stutland, they join us now. Jim, what's in store for the Nasdaq? We seem to be catching a little bit of a bid right now midday.
Well, yesterday I thought we were due for an 8 to 12% pullback. At the time, it seemed like it was a lot. We basically got that when we traded the lows to 11,100 and change. The important thing to remember about the fundamentals here is that nothing's really changed. 1 week ago, Jay Powell looked us in the eye and said he was going from being all in to being really, really all in. And that hasn't changed. What really has changed is market position. The story can't get much better as far as the government involvement from this point. So that's why we had to take a little bit of a breather. This shouldn't surprise anyone. The Nasdaq has been up 88% since the lows. A quick 12% pullback is not much. I still like that 11,000 level. And when we got close to that, I took off some of my short hedges and got a little bit more long at that level. I plan on doing it again if it gets there.
All right, watching the 11,000. That's what Jimmy Urio is doing. Brian Stutland, what are you doing?
Yeah, and to Urio's point, really, when you look at some of the technicals here, that support level, 11,085 or so, is really where we bounce. That's going to seem to act like support. Below there, 10,250 is really the next lowest level. And if things get really ugly, 8,800 on the downside, I don't know that we get there anytime soon here. But when you look at that level of 11,100 area, that's where all those names we've talked about, you've heard on the show here today, Apple, Tesla, they all started reversing and moving higher. And it seems like the way hedgers took it off, not just Urio taking his hedges off, but I've seen other hedges people taking their hedges off as well. And we got a real significant bounce here. To me, when I start to see those hedges come off, I see the market tend to go significantly higher.
All right, we're looking at support for the 50-day moving average in the Nasdaq overall as well. On the cash side of things, Brian Stutland, Jim